Hey guys, quick video on how you could find domain and range of a function with the calculator. So I want you to put this onto your GDC, whichever model it is. What I want you to do is to graph it. And when you have this, what I want you to do is make sure you graph it. I'm just going to fit this graph onto my calculator. I'm just going to choose option 6 for now. And the graph is going to look something like that. Now, it seems like there is a disconnection between the upper and the bottom section. And what I need you to do is, if you go onto second table, you'll realize that there is one value of x that doesn't give me a y value, which is -1. So basically, it means that as part of your domain, and again, if you scroll up, it gives you other y values, but there's only one value that doesn't give me a y value, which is x to be -1. So this basically means that all the x values could be part of the domain except for -1. So I can just simply write this as x to be not equal to -1. X can take other real numbers. Now again, if we look at the range, simply if you look at the graph, okay, the graph doesn't seem to touch the x-axis, and we can also be sure by doing that if we go onto the table and you realize that there is one particular y value which is missing, which happens to be 0. Okay, so what this means is that in this case, then we could simply say that the range is basically y is not equal to 0, but y can take other real numbers. Okay, so you may want to use the table and the graph to help you to visualize this when you find the domain and range. Okay, so hopefully this video helps, and I'll see you very soon again. Alright, take care, and if you like this video, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.